Today, let's use the Mongu S3 power float. Fishing in the creek. Mongu S3 power floating ring. It is a kayak material and the power float of the high torque motor. Control movement and steering with joystick operation. Continuous driving can be used for about an hour. Intermittent driving can be used for 2 to 3 hours. The battery life is okay. Moving speed of 1 meter per second. Let's take the fishing rod. Grip pole launching. Then take a nap and wait for the fish to bite. Don't worry about flipping. The design structure is very stable.
A few moments later.
So bad, unlucky. I didn't catch a single fish. Just drive back.